Tired of complicated Amazon returns in Japan? This video will show you how to return your Amazon Japan items quickly and easily at your local Lawson. First, log into your Amazon Japan account and go to the Returns and Orders section. Find the item you want to return, and click the Return or Replace Items button. Select your reason for return and choose Lawson as your return method. Amazon will then generate a QR code or a return label, depending on the item and your selection. Carefully repack your item in its original packaging. If possible, make sure it's securely sealed to prevent damage during transit. If you chose the QR code option, have it ready on your phone. If you opted for the return label, print it out and securely attach it to your package. Head to your nearest Lawson, find the Loppi machine and select the option to scan your QR code, usually labeled something like Amazon Returns or a similar delivery service. If you have a return label, skip this step. The Loppi machine will print out a return slip. Take this slip and your package to the Lawson cashier. Hand the cashier your package and the return slip from the Loppi machine. They'll scan it and give you a receipt as proof of your return. Remember that some items may have size and weight restrictions for Lawson returns, so double check the details on Amazon. That's it. Your refund will be processed according to Amazon's policy. Now you can return items hassle-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.